And Jackson and Jarvis.
And who are you?
Jeanette. And Jeanette.
And we're here today.
A haul.
We're not doing a haul, but we hauled this stuff from the Dollar Tree. But we're just tasting some random snacks that we found because we thought it would be kind of fun. So take 1 minute, subscribe to our channel. We'll give you 1 second.
Yeah.
Time's up.
Time's up. Let's do the haul.
Make sure you ding the bell so you get all of our notifications, and let's get into this, okay? What should we try first? Because Jackson was eyeballing these candies.
I want to do this one.
Okay, so
Wait. One at a time.
these are crispy M&Ms. These are some of Jarvis's favorites.
Can I try some?
Of course.
That's what they're doing.
We turn it on.
I don't remember the box being. Oh, maybe it was green.
I thought it was
blue.
orange.
No, I think the peanut butter ones were orange.
They're good. They're good. What do they remind you of?
Whoa. They're crunchy.
Like crispy M&Ms.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
those are good. Now, we already know what these taste like, but we gonna eat them anyway.
Yeah. M&M.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Said.
What do you think, Jackson? Is it good? It good?
Yummy.
Jackson just said, I'm here for the treats, okay?
Oh, you
He
ready?
dinged out.
Jackson said, give me
He
some
dinged
more.
out. He dinged
You ready
out.
for round 2, Jackson?
He dinged out. He dinged out.
Okay, here you go, Yax. Daddy's got one for you, Ness. Thank you.
You're welcome.
These are the Sour Patch Kids watermelon.
Yummy.
Ooh, me and Jarvis grew up on these.
Just eat them things all day long at school.
Mm-hmm.
I'd eat so many that my tongue would get raw.
Mm-hmm. They're good. Oh.
This is so good.
Okay, me and Janess and Jackson already know what this tastes like, but we want Jarvis to taste it. These are the crunchy rice rolls. They're like rice cakes, but they're in a roll. They long. Hair long, money long. Jarvis gonna taste that. Here, Jackson, here's your own. It's just, here's your owns.
Here.
I'm still working on the Sour Patch.
Oh, my bad.
That's a good Sour Patch.
Ah, okay, okay. That's a pretty good.
That's a pretty good.
Those pretty good. Those are pretty good.
Blah,
So it's a hit.
blah, 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 blah,
What does this remind me of?
The
The little round rice.
Quaker.
Yeah.
Quaker
The
rice
little rice cakes. Yeah.
Mhm.
That's what it tastes like.
Okay, now we gonna try these original guacamole chip made with real avocado.
I never tasted that before.
Me neither. These might make some. They're green. They're green.
It might make some what?
Some good nachos.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Oh. Oh, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Jack.
Oh yeah.
You see he done took it, y'all.
Ooh, those would
It's
make
good.
Some, those would make some good nachos.
These are, we gonna have to use these to make it some nachos.
Yum, 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 yum. These are some goods. These are some goods.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
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 But
Oh no.
I just noticed
Oh no.
that these have buttermilk in them.
So So what does that mean?
We can't eat them. We're vegan.
I know that, but they don't.
Oh, so yeah. So if you're vegan, these are not vegan friendly. Okay?
But they're so good.
They're delicious. Here. Sorry. That's why they good, because they got that habit-forming milk though. It's good. Okay.
Yay! Score for the block.
Okay, next up we're gonna try these fudge-covered graham crackers
Yum.
that actually don't really contain any milk products.
What? Say what?
Yeah,
Say words.
they're just made with cocoa.
No.
Cocoa.
I'm in love.
I'm in love with the cocoa nuts. You okay?
Baking soda.
Oh, jeez. Oh, Lord, jeez.
I got it.
Okay, no more candy for you.
Okay. I just want candy.
Oh.
Here, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
These are
Here, Jackie. Oh, you still got your chip. Okay.
Yeah.
These are good.
Yeah.
I know these are quack.
Oh,
Yeah, those are good.
girl. Jackson dropped his chip so he can get on this chocolate, hey.
Where did it go?
Oh, before Mommy will get up.
I'll get
Yeah, they're pretty good.
it. I'll get it. I got it.
You guys know?
Mm-hmm.
You better eat your chip.
I already know.
Yeah.
Didn't your little cousins get these?
My little cousins got these. I already know these are gonna be gone at work with Jarvis.
Yep.
Don't take
For $1, that's a good deal. Look at how
You better
many
not take them to
crackers you get.
Why not?
You have to eat them.
There's.
They're delicious fries.
Yeah, but look at all these other snacks y'all got.
Mm-hmm.
You are gonna be in jail.
And Joe.
No. You are gonna be a candy dad.
Is it good?
Candy dad, candy dad, da 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 da, candy dad.
Is it good? Oh. These are good. They'd be good with some cut up strawberries. Oh.
What?
No!
Are you dropping your cookie?
Yeah. Janessa, will you grab it, please? It's on the floor over here.
Rush,
I didn't
he over
see
here
it.
throwing away good things.
Floor.
I didn't even see it.
It probably went underneath the couch.
Get it before JoJo gets up.
It's not under the couch.
Where'd it go?
I'm.
What?
It disappeared.
Or JoJo already got it.
Hey. Oh.
I got this coconut chips. The last coconut I purchased was from
Get your cookie.
No, just leave it
where
there.
we get that from? Smith's. Here in Utah it's called Smith's, but it's Kroger everywhere else.
What now?
And this was $1 and it's 1.4 ounces, and I feel like this is about how much coconut I got in that container.
Yeah.
So let's taste this. We love toasted coconut. Oh, in my head, I got my
Mommy, look.
Oh, we just washed our hair.
We just washed Daddy hair too. These don't really taste like
They're coconut.
Here.
I like these cookies better.
Well, yeah, it's got chocolate on it.
Yeah.
They're good. They taste like the other ones. So, I mean, I think this is a pretty good deal for $1.
How much were the other ones in that little case, in that little bag?
Like $4.
And that one was $1?
I'm showing is gonna stock up. And then let's see, the last thing we're gonna try is this Imperial Nuts cranberry blend, and I got this as well, like the coconut and stuff to put like on our smoothie bowls, or when we have like our granola, or Janessa used to say granola.
Granola bar.
Granola, or when we have oatmeal and stuff.
A shinoda. A shishkoka.
Get your hands off my nuts. Oh.
I'll eat your nuts if I want to.
Ooh.
Jackson's favorite.
Wait.
Raisin.
And my
All I got
favorite.
was peanut.
The raisins is good.
Let me get
These
some
are
peanut.
good.
Mmm. I love
They taste
the
like
pumpkin
cinnamon
seeds.
almost. They taste like cinnamon.
They taste like cinnamon?
Yeah. Just kidding. Ew, some raisins.
Look, try the craisins.
Raisins?
Mm-hmm. Remember we were eating some the other day. Mmm. Yeah, it's pretty good. Would you like a pumpkin seed?
I tasted a little dried up grape.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Because I don't like raisins, but these ones are pretty good.
Ooh.
All I got was crime, crazy.
I'm still in my cookie. Mommy!
Okay, you guys, which one was your favorite? There's more. Which one was your favorite snack, Janus?
These.
The Sour Patch Kids, yeah.
What about you, Jar?
I'd have to say the graham crackers.
Graham crackers fire. What about you, Jackson? What was your favorite?
The
graham crackers. He's pointing at the graham crackers. Him wants another one. Here,
Is that milk chocolate or dark?
cocoa
Cocoa.
and high fructose corn syrup.
You still eat your poop?
I think my favorite was.
You still eat your poop?
I think these chips were the bomb.
You still eat your ass?
Oh my
Still
goodness.
eat your mouth? Your body?
I think these chips were my favorite.
I want this chip. Here, Mommy.
That's okay. We have a whole bag.
And chips were pretty good.
Like,
I think the chips are my
I feel like if you just showed up at a party with these, not just one bag, because you can't really do a lot with one bag. But everybody be like, "Ooh, girl, these chips is fire." They'd be like, "I got these from the Dollar Tree." Okay.
Dollar Tree. Oh no!
There's JoJo.
Oh no!
Hi, JoJo.
Hey, little pooping dog, you.
All right, you guys. Well, that's it. We just thought it'd be fun to try some snacks on camera for you guys. If you're new to our channel, we'd love to have you all the time. So stick around.
There's one right there.
Subscribe. It's a fly, yeah. Gotta love this time of year for flies. And ding the bell so you can get all of our notifications. And if you are one of my oldie but goodies, hey girl, hey. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a great weekend. And we'll see you.
I'm gonna try one more. Bye. I'm stepping on my mommy.
Also, if there's any snacks you want us to try, let us know. And we'll try them.
We'll be more than happy to try them.
This is so good.
Okay, you guys.